we're going to have about 20 Q&A, and all of those questions and answers we'll be able to see on the screen here. And the kids, we want to encourage them here to get the red envelope. Okay, so go and have fun. Enjoy your time. Now I want you to pay attention to it. Remember the rule. Raise your hand, okay? If you know the answer, you have to raise your hand and you have to speak loud, okay? So answer is pretty easy, but make sure you raise your hand before you answer it. You can shout it out loud, but if you did not raise your hand, I'm sorry you don't get it, okay? So the rule here is make sure to raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay, here comes the very first one. What is the official name of the Taiwan Hui Guan? A, Northern California Taiwanese Center. B, Taiwanese Center of Northern California. 3, Taiwanese American Center of Northern California. Okay, yeah. 3, number 3, is that right? All right, you got it. Okay, go get your red envelope. Okay, the next one. All right. Now, this is a little bit tricky. I don't know if you know, but we actually put some pictures over there. Okay, now, you can ask around, you can check it out, but anyway, how many characters do we have for Taiwan Hui Guan? Doris? A? Any other? All right. Any other? Okay. How many? 9. Okay. Yes, we do have 9 directors. Right? Okay. All right. The next one. All right. You raise your hand. What do you mean? Do you know the question? Okay. What type of platform do we have? Do we have a speech in medicine, or people skill, communication skill, or 3 all above? Raise your hand. Huh? Okay. You 3是什么？以上皆是。3. Okay, remember you have to raise your hand, okay? All right. We often, number 4, we often have a different type of events. Please let us know which one it's the right one. The first one is the music. Second one is a birthday celebration. 3 is a Christmas event. Number 4 is all of the above. 1. Next one. Okay. 4. All of the above. Yes. Oh, okay. All right. So next time, I'll make sure I look at you, okay? So you make sure you answer. Okay. How many big events have we held for Taiwan Hui Guan? You know that when we say big event, we are talking about thousands of people, okay? So, what big event do we have? The very first one is 特技. I don't know what that is in Taiwanese, in English, 特技团. And the Xiao Tailan is the music that we actually see the kids sing today. And the number 3 is all above. Okay, you got it. Number 3. All right. All right, the next one. Okay, now this one we have 8 questions related to the languages and culture. Okay, this is our Taiwan 学校台语好好 in Taiwanese. Okay, next one. Okay, 台语 has influences from which of the following? Japanese, Mandarin, Taiwanese Aboriginal languages, D is all of the above. Someone that have not received. Someone have not received. Yes. Okay. D, all of the above. Yes. All right. The next one. Okay, this is a little bit difficult. It's not all of the above, okay? Very difficult. What is the non-Hanzi Daigi written system that's been around for over 150 years? 150 years. Yes? Hey, wow, good. Yes, Bay lady. How do you know? You're guessing? Did you know? Okay, he learned it from the school, third grade. Okay. All right, that's a very difficult question actually. All right, the next one. What textbooks have been written in Taigi? Are you sure? I haven't even said physiology, math, geography, and all the above. All right. All the above, yes. Yes, come up here. All right. I haven't even read the question. Okay, Taiwan School 2026, spring quarter. We have a cooking class. Do you know what type of cooking class that we have? One is cooking and learn Mandarin. And then cooking and learn Taiwanese. And here is a cooking and learn Spanish. Number 4 is all of the above.
Number 4.
Number 4, all of the above. What's the answer? Oh, wait. Did you say? 4. Sorry, that's not the answer. 2. Okay, yeah. Cooking and learn Taiwanese. Okay. All right, now this is it's all written in Chinese, so it's maybe a little bit difficult. In Taiwan school, we have a choir, special choir. You see the performance today. What language are they using to sing? The number 1 is Mandarin, the second one is Taiwanese, the third one is English, the fourth one is Spanish. Let me see. Yes. English? Okay, let's go. Today, have you seen English or Taiwanese? 2. Taiwanese, yes. You sing in Taiwanese? Yes. Okay. All right. Which is the spring course in 2026? The number 1, I see a lot of hands. Are you sure you know the answer? Okay, the first one is the cooking with your parents to learn Taiwanese. The second one is history reading. The third one is speaking Taiwanese. The fourth is all the above. Ah, I see a very little girl here. Okay, here. What's the answer? 4. Look at the finger. It's 4. Yes, you got it. Okay. Who have not gotten your envelope yet? You haven't? Okay, all right. Okay, that's one part. Okay, now this one is very, very, very exciting. This is a new course that we just have. But whenever that we put on the website, the class full, all right away. We call that 秒杀. 秒杀 is in the second all class been taken, registered. So now we have waiting list. Okay, we have a very special chemistry PhD doctor. She is teaching this course. Currently, without the spring course, we might still have a few seats available. But actually, 秒杀. Can you help me to learn this word? It's called 秒杀. Can you say it together? 秒杀. Yes, 秒杀 is instantly. It's registered. Okay. All right. So the first one is a science class. The second one is Pilates. The third one is yoga. One. But science class. Yes. Oh, you got into the science class. You're so good. It's not easy to get into the science class. Okay. So you know number one. Okay. All right. The next one. Okay. Focus. This is difficult. Mama can help answer. Kids can answer. Mama can answer. Okay.
待玩好好。
Wow. Hey, yeah, good job. Hey, what's the rainbow? For the baby, for the kids. All right. Okay, so we still have 5 more questions. Okay. All right. The next. This is the TCML. This is a learning Mandarin in corporate big company. This is we actually were able to teach TCML in Google. Okay. We go to the Google campus and we teach Mandarin over there. We have a lot of students. Actually, a lot of students. Okay. I think this semester we have 67. Yeah, 67. Okay. So you better come join us. All right. Now, 67 students. Okay, just a second. All right. Now, here are some of the guidelines. Be very careful. It's not all about, okay? Now, how old do you have to be to register TCML class? 6 years old, 16, or 18? How old do you have to be to register TCML? Do you know the answer?
18.
Wow, you got it. Come on here, 18. Wow. You know that too? Okay. All right, we have 4 more questions. Okay, let's go. TCML. What character type are we learning? The simplified, traditional, or English? You know? Okay.
English.
Okay, next one. 2. What is 2? Do you know? Traditional. Okay, traditional. All right, here's the answer. 2. All right, we have 3 more questions, okay? Okay, now this one is also harder, okay? TCML, the whole name is what? What is that? What the first one? 台湾华语文学习中心。Second one, 中文学习中心。3, 台语学习中心。I'll give you a hint. TCML. So what's T stand for? Okay, so what's the answer? Did you already have one answer? That's you, okay, all right.
台湾华语文学习中心。
Really good. You can even speak in Mandarin. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Remember, this is Taiwan TCML. Okay. You don't have to say that. Okay. Number 4. Haha. I don't know about this one. Do you know the answer? TCML. The students. Do we limit their nationality? Do we only say Taiwanese can go? Or do we only say the foreigner? Or do we say doesn't really matter as long as you want to learn Mandarin? one.
Sun.
Okay. Sun is the right answer. It's not limited to the nationality, okay? Whoever you are, as long as you like to learn. Okay, here, take a picture. All right, the last one. You better know the answer. Okay, don't raise your hand. Put your hands down now. Okay? I'm going to, when I stop, you want to raise your hand right there. So I want to see who raised their hand right at that point. Okay? So listen to the question before you raise your hand. Okay. We, TCML, we partner with one big corporation. One very heavy weight company. And that company actually have a very famous search engine. Not only that, hands down, not only that, search engine and the AI, Gemini, all those good things. And we get to go into their campus to teach TCML. Okay? We have how many students do we have?
67.
Yeah, good. So we do have 67 students just for the white quarter, okay? All right. I'm going to count to 3. The first one, raise your hand. I will call you on you, okay? I don't know whether it's a Google, Meta, or Apple. So I'm counting to 3, okay? Please help me to spot which one raise their hand first, okay? 1, 2. I got you. Okay, one more time, okay? Seriously, this time I'm serious, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you scare me. Now, who? Did you help me? Yeah, come on here. Thank you. 1. Okay, good. Thank you. So we actually were able to go into Google and also Google Campus. So we had 67 students this quarter. Thank you. We thank you very much for your participation, and I hope you had a good time today. Hope you next time we will prepare more and more. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you, DCML students. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. For those of you who have not registered in Yelp for us, please give us a good review on Yelp so that we can be known by many.